Hi everybody, it's Andrew here, and I'm going to show you how to upload video from your camera roll to Twitter. So when you go to compose a tweet, you can select a video from your most recent media, like I'm doing here. When you find a clip, just click on it, and because the video length limit is 30 seconds, you'll need to drag the selection bar to make the portion of the video that you choose fit that limit. You can drag and hold to shorten and lengthen the section of the clip that you want to use, or tap and hold to get a zoomed in view so you can more accurately select the portion of the video that you want to use. When you're done, just click trim, and that's it. You're ready to send the tweet with the video included.